So do you also run Google Ads for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create or update Mailercloud subscriber for Google Ads lead. So I'm running a Google ad for my business, and here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my Google ad, then automatically the lead received should be created as a new subscriber in my Mailercloud account. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Ads account with my Mailercloud account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically create or update a Mailercloud subscriber whenever a new lead is captured through Google Ads. So this integration will help you streamline your email marketing, ensure every lead is added to your list, and improve your follow-up process. So stay with me as I walk you through the step-by-step setup. So as you all know that I run an online business and I use Google Ads to attract potential customers. So when someone submits their details through a Google Ad lead form, I want to add them to my email list and keep them engaged. So now instead of manually adding each lead to Mailercloud, I want to automate the process so that new leads are instantly subscribed or updated in my list. This helps me send automated welcome emails, special offers or follow-ups, making my marketing more efficient and helping me turn leads into loyal customers. Okay, so now here to build this automation, we need to connect our Google Ads lead form with our Mailercloud account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's home page, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ina/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create or update Mailercloud subscriber for Google Ads lead. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So now here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And after clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Ads, as I'm receiving new leads through Google Ads. So Google Ads is an online advertising platform where businesses can create ads that appear on Google search results and other websites. So here in my Google Ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead form entry, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now after selecting a trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So I followed the instructions given below. Firstly, here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my Google Ads account. So this is my Google Ads account, and this is the test campaign that I've created in my Google Ads account. And now here under this test campaign, I'm going to create a new test lead form to set up this entire automation. So here I'm going to use this test lead form. So here I'm going to give a name to my business such as ABC Company. Scrolling little down here for the questions, I'm going to select the question as name, and for the name I'm going to select first name and last name, and then I'm going to select the phone number, email, city, zip code, state, country. Scrolling little down here, these fields are not required fields where I'm going to leave them blank. And here after adding the fields, I'm going to scroll a little more down, and here you can see we have received the option for lead delivery over here. So I'm going to select it, and here the lead delivery option, you can see we have received the option for webhook integration. So here it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the key. So here this webhook URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and here for the key, let's suppose I'm going to give the name as test over here. And now here after entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the set test data button given over here. So as soon as I'm going to click on this set test data button, I'm going to receive a test response for this particular form that I've created over here in my Pabbly's workflow. So that with that test response, we can set up this entire automation. So I'm going to click it over here. And here you can see it says test data set. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the country. Here you can see the region. Scrolling little down, here you can see the postal code, here you can see the city, here you can see the user email, here you can see the phone number, here you can see the last name value as last name and first name value as first name only. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new leads through our Google Ads, then automatically I want to add the lead received as a new subscriber in my Mailercloud account. So for that, I need to connect my Mailercloud account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as Mailercloud. So Mailercloud is an email marketing tool that helps businesses create, send and manage email campaigns. So here in my Mailercloud action step, I'm going to select my action event task, create or update a subscriber. So that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically the lead received is going to be added as a new subscriber in our Mailercloud account. Okay, so now here to connect my Mailercloud with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Mailercloud account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection is asking me to enter the API key. So I'm following the instructions given over here. Here I've already logged in my Mailercloud account, and from here I'm going to click on my profile icon, and here in my profile icon I'm going to select account. Now here the account, you can see we have received the option for integration over here on the top. So I'm going to select it, and here the integrations I'm going to select API keys. Now here the API keys, I'm going to generate a new API key by clicking on this create API key button, and here I'm going to give a name to my API key, that is new lead, and then I'm going to click on this generate key. And here you can see we have successfully generated a new API key with the name new lead. So I'm going to copy it, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to paste the API key. Now after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the list. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see all the 3 lists that I've created in my Mailercloud account to add the subscribers accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my list as new leads, scrolling little down, and then here it is asking me to enter the email. So now here instead of entering the email manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means it's a data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for the email. So this is the leads email. Moving forward, here this tags is not a required field, so here I'm going to leave it blank. Here for the first name, I'm going to map the first name. So this is our first name only, so I'm going to map it. Here this middle name is not a required field. Here for the last name, I'm going to search for the last name. Moving forward, here for the phone number, I'm going to map the phone number. Moving forward, here for the country, I'm going to search for the country. Here for the city, I'm going to search for the city. Scrolling little down. Again, the state, zip and other fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy email address with the original email address in order to add a new subscriber in our Mailercloud account, because it doesn't support any inactive email address. So here, let's suppose that I'm going to enter the email address as trest00022@pabblytunes.com. Okay, so this is a working email. So moving forward, and now here I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the data inserted value as 1 and data submitted value as 1 also. And here you can see the message that says batch contacts process. That means we have successfully added a new subscriber in our Mailercloud account for the new lead received through our Google Ads. So now let's go and check our Mailercloud account. Here I'm going to click on this audience, and from here I'm going to select list. Now here under list, I'm going to select new leads, and then I'm going to click on this contacts. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber over here with the email as test00022@pabblytunes.com, and here you can see the name as first name over here. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Ads and our action as Mailercloud, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically the lead received is going to be added as a new subscriber in our Mailercloud account. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create or update Mailercloud subscriber for Google Ads lead. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.